How to be irresistible to your ex again. Rebuilding attraction with an ex is a delicate process, but with the right approach, it's possible to rekindle the spark. Whether you're seeking closure or hoping to reignite the relationship, these 8 strategies can help make you irresistible again. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the 8 strategies. 1. Focus on self-improvement. Take the time to grow emotionally, physically, and mentally. Pursue new hobbies, enhance your skills, and work on your confidence. A stronger, more independent version of yourself will naturally attract your ex. 2. Boost your confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Rebuild your self-worth through personal achievements, socializing, and practicing self-love. When you show your ex that you're thriving, they'll be more drawn to you. 3. Reconnect slowly. Instead of bombarding your ex with constant messages, start with subtle gestures. A friendly text or casual comment can open the door to deeper conversations without feeling forced. 4. Show emotional maturity. Demonstrating emotional control after a breakup is key. Handling difficult emotions with grace shows growth, making you more appealing in the long run. 5. Rekindle physical chemistry. Physical attraction can reignite with shared experiences. Light touches, lingering eye contact, and playful banter can spark chemistry once more. 6. Respect their space. Give your ex the room they need. Constantly pursuing them may backfire. Patience and respect for their boundaries are crucial in rebuilding attraction. 7. Stay positive. Positivity is magnetic. Being optimistic, lighthearted, and emotionally stable will make you someone your ex will want to be around again. 8. Be authentic. Authenticity is key. Pretending to be someone you're not will only lead to disappointment. Embrace your true self, and your ex will be more likely to reconnect. By following these steps, you can make yourself irresistible to your ex again, whether for a fresh start or a renewed friendship. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.